Frigidaire Affinity 3 blinking lights right side. Drying, cool down, extended tumble. I have tried to produce error code with no luck. Need help knowing what blinking lights indicate and fair price to repair.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I'll be the one to assist you. What is the model number of your Frigidaire?
AE06000S2.
It sounds like the problem may be with your thermistor and will need to be replaced. http://www.appliancepartspros.com/Frigidaire thermistor control 134587770 app 3866842.html part 15 http://www.appliancepartspros.com/cover parts for Frigidaire EX6000S0.html.
Is that what the code is saying, and is that a difficult job for extreme novice?
It's not difficult at all. It's a common issue with those lights lit you are describing. It just pulls out and put the new one in.
That you.
You are very welcome. If you have found this information helpful, all I ask is you rate with 5 stars at the top. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me for this matter again.
What other things might it be? Worked 5 or 6 times after new part installed. Then back to same 3 blinking lights.
So if that did not solve your problem, then that leaves one of 2 things. Your high limit thermostat or your main control board has failed. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/Frigidaire dryer high limit thermostat /3204267/508516 model number equals EX6000S2 and from repair help equals true and SS equals A8B2D873749 http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/Frigidaire dryer main control board /134557201/11706777 model number equals EX6000S2 and from repair help equals true and SS equals A8B2D873749.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.